This 2022 Coachmen Chaparral 373 MBRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a Mahogany Bay interior, sleeps 11, stovetop burner, LP detector, skylight, microwave, Colorado detector, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, auxiliary battery, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bath, kitchen island, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Chaparral 373 MBRB is 13,030 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.